Okay, here's another automation. How to place element or family, uh, face-based family into the walls. So you select the, let's say electrical already finished placing all their lighting switches here. For example, this one. So there are multiple switch here, sample. Then for after placing the electrical switch, we require to place a thermostat here above. So a thermostat, let's say this one. So you have to place the thermostat here. This is a face-based family. Okay. So you place a thermostat here, and then you place also above the thermostat air pressure panel. So that's one of the requirements here in working in a hospital and polyclinic project. So how to do that? So I type ME again. So check the air pressure panel. So, so this is the work that you need to place. So let's say for a specific room, you have to place a thermostat, then an air pressure panel above. So how to do that? Uh, Take note that this is a face-based family. So let's say this is architectural link and it's moved, then all the family is moved also. Okay. So we will be covering how to work with Dynamo and also how to edit custom families to work in your favor with the script. Okay. So I think that that's the topic. So this is an automation. So you have to select only what you select is the electrical switch or lighting switch. Then automatic it will place a thermostat and then the next step will be the air pressure panel. Okay, so let's go. Okay, so example, this is your project and then this is all your walls and then doors. So electrical ready, place, inform the mechanical team that they already place all the thermostat. So if they are finished, electrical finished, then it's way easier for us to place automation here. We just select this lighting devices here, then automatic will place a thermostat and then air pressure panel, or we can place also this phase-based family, this electrical. Okay, so let's try to place it here first before we go there. So, okay. So this is a thermostat also. We want to place above. Okay. Any family phase-based family can be placed. So let's start with this typical x and y coordinate, okay, walls. So, okay, no sloping, no reversing of the start and end point of the wall. Okay, so okay, start here. Maybe I'll do it automation. Face base vertical. Okay, so I'll just face this one and then face this one. Then where's the family stats? Okay, this one. Remove from group. Okay, so let's just try the thermostat upper. So I will go one by one here. Now we create a script. So this one's smaller. Okay. Okay. So we select first the elements. So there are two process here or script. Once you select, for example, one element, then run automatic. Okay. So once you select the one element only, then we have an if statement formula, this one. So if the least count selection is one, then true. If x is greater than 1, so false, it will go here. So this is the selection, filter selection of one or more than one. So as you can see here, for example here, this single element, and this is for the multiple elements. So currently this is 0, no value, none, because we set if statement formula here. Okay, so this is a single element only. So this is the script. So what will happen here is that we have to go back to the beginning. Okay, so you select the element, then after you select the element, you get the element host, this one. Okay, so that's the wall. You will need this one because we're going to use a face-based family instance. Okay, then you get the family faces. So surface, that one. Let's screen capture this one. Next one is after that here. Then this one, you get the centroid of the geometry of this element. So element geometry, centroid also, this one. Okay. So meaning that, for example, what this family, if I go to Warframe, so all this extrusion, that's a solid. This one a solid, 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 solid also. See, then this is solid. So that's you're getting, that's the all extrusion in that family, in that socket. That's all the solids, and this is all the centroid. So after that, we'll go here, and we're going to filter this customized family. I place specifically these two extrusion above, so that I can get the 2 points because it will control the rotation of our family, of our face base family. So I get a line there, and then I get the vector also. So I place a line between that 2 points. So how you get that? How to place temporary or reference point? Okay, select this one. So after getting the centroid, you go to the point Z. This one. Okay. Then after that, you have a matte floor. So you select all those Z value with the highest value. Sort in the what's called this? Asymmetrically. Ascending. Okay. Order. So 600 is the highest, 587 is the lowest. So after that, you list group by key. Okay, you have the group here. So you're extracting the groupings, okay, of the highest value. And after that, now you extract the group list in the group 0, this one, 640. So this one, it will come up here, 640, 640. Okay. Then after that, you flatten also this one, flatten this group, and this is the numbering. You can get here, or you can get also directly here. It doesn't matter. Okay. Then after that, you have to equal. So 640 is equal to this 640. You have to equal them. If it's true, then it will be filtered here. So get 2 points to create a line. So this line, this is filterable mass, came from this centroid. So we're getting these 2 points here. Okay. After that, you get ready the 2 centroid, then you list take items, 2 items. Or you can go directly this one to here, flatten. Okay. So this is our single selection. Okay. Then it will go here. So this is the first item and the last item. So this either this one or this one. Okay. Then you have to create a line. When I select this one and we go here, okay, wait. I think we should turn the free view of our this geometry. So, so when I select this one line, it's here. This line is this line. Okay. So it will control our line direction, the rotation of our elements. Then after that direction, so you can remove this one or not. You can do it also. You place here line direction, then element get rotation. So you input the line direction here, then the rotation will be false or 0. After that, we get this geometry translate. Okay. So where it came from? Select this one. Came from here again also. But the value will came from the point, meaning you're getting the point of the reference point. This is, I mean, the point you're getting is this one. I'll show you. Edit family. Okay. So if you go to reference point, you're getting the point or this center point here, the X and Y here in the plan. That's the point you're getting, this center, this one. Okay. So you must properly center your family to work this script. Okay, going back here. That's one, right? So feed that one to the geometry translate. So you're going to translate it up to here. Move. So this is the slider. So that's 270. It will move also. Okay. Center. Then you feed that to the family instance by face and point. So the good thing about if the elector already finished modeling, we can get the host element. So if I select this one, face. So this one. So this is the host. This is the face. Then after that, you have to geometry intersect the face, the point, this point, center point, the X and Y, and then the surfaces, the surface that it is hosting. Okay. Then after that, here, going here, if I unfreeze this one, it will place now the thermostat, the face-based thermostat. So when I place this one, unfreeze, this is now our thermostat. Same with here, when I unfreeze this one. So this script below is the multiple selections, multiple element selections. Okay. So minimize this one. So we have now that one. So if I select one by one, it will place one by one. So for example, this one, it will transfer there. This one, it will transfer also. This one, it will transfer. So make it shaded view. So it doesn't matter. If I select here, it will transfer also. So in here, so what single selection is okay. So select here to place also correct orientation and offset also. So it doesn't matter. So if you select multiple selection, then it doesn't matter. Just select multiple here. For example, I will select part here. So it will place also whatever the orientation, it will place to the face. So mind you that this one is a face base. So if let's say the architectural move their walls, then it doesn't matter. If I move this one, but it will follow. See, it's a phase base. This one, if I move this one, my thermostat will follow. Okay, so this one also, let's say I move this into here. It doesn't matter. Thermostat will follow. Okay, so imagine also here, you want also to place, let's say, select, we'll place also here, the center part. What what if I change the family? So there are two families from this Dynamo script. We have face custom vertical, meaning that if you edit this family, so outcome, and select. Okay. Okay, so go back to the family shaded. So as you can see, this family is a hosted family. So if I go to the plan view, that's the orientation. It is vertical. The thermostat is vertical. So go to 3D view, this one. Okay, but still it is a face base. So if I edit this one, this is the original one. Most of the electrical lighting fixtures is this is orientation. It's a face-based family. Okay, like this. And then I load that into the plan-based family, a generic one. So here, this one, plan-based. Okay. Okay. Now for this one, close this one, close this one. So that's the advantage. You have to create an automation. Again, select this one, select all these. Let's say you select this one. It will place all the thermostat, right? Then we place, so some of it is manual. I don't know why it's like that, but it doesn't matter. Still minor changes. We can still automate it all. Okay. Then what the next will be, we are going to place the air pressure panel above the thermostat. So we can save this one, or we can uh, bake this one, run. Close. Okay, we open again. Then we change to the air pressure panel. Okay, you can do also in one go, but if you want also, you can just restructure the script to automate the placement of thermostat and then the panel. So I'm just exaggerating here. So let's see. Then I'll place now air pressure panel above. Okay. Then run. So it's here also. This is the air pressure panel. It's phase based also again. If we go here at the top, I will put this one to follow. Okay. Usually architectural, they will move some walls, remove some walls. Okay. Usually move. I prefer move. Okay, you can place there. So it's there already. Okay. So we go to another script. This one, mind you that this is a vertical face base family. So we go select again. It's it's uh, meaning it's standing up. This is the front. So okay, this is the family. The other family will be totally face base. The family. This is a customized hosted family. Okay, so I close this one. Okay, so let's delete this one. Okay, now we go to the another script, the face-based family, not a custom one. So close this one. No, the face-based vertical. So right now I'm using now the actual electrical family, the face-based. No, so meaning that if you select this one, edit family, this is not hosted. It's like this. So meaning that the face-based will be, it will be facing in the top view, not in the vertical position. Okay. There's still work around with that. So go back to the script. Okay, this one. Close this one. So same process, but it's still automate, but it's not that perfect. Maybe around 90% accurate in the face base because of the orientation, rotation. So let's say I want to select these switches. Select these. Lighting switch, metal card. Okay, I'm okay with it. So when I select one element, let's say here, automatic, to place also. See, rotation is correct. See, to place. So maybe it's better we update this one. So it should be okay. So the good thing about this one is this is a selection. Okay, so I select multiple face-based family, actual, not hosted face-based family. So it will also place it. So there are minor um, rotation error, but you can just press tab space and then it will be correct. Okay. So same with here. This is a circular. So I select all these families here and then run. See, all is in the, I think it's correct. Only this one is off. So I should press tab only and then we're okay. So, okay. So let's say I want to place also thermostat. Can place also thermostat here. Thermostat PST. This one. So this is again the original face base. I did not host this family. So similar to the electrical. So it was just go back and select all these families here with different orientation. Run. Okay, it's working. I think it's most of them thermostat is working fine. See, correct. How about inside? Let's check. I think most of them are correct. Also in here, but in here, and I'll show you some uh, rotation errors. But that's how we should not stop. We just modify it, select and press space, and then it will be on the correct orientation. So let's see here. Try to run this one. So see this one. As you can see, there are some thermostats in the wrong orientation or rotation. So you just press space and then you're good to go. Again, the advantage of this one is that this is a phase-based family. So whatever you move this one, it will move. Okay. So this is their soul because they move already. That's the soul of our families. So if I move it here, it's nothing. So this one move. This one move. This one move. See. Say, okay, I will show now the script. Or I will send the link and upload it in the Dynamo page. Okay. See all this. Okay, that's it.